This is AW 23771, I think. Mudgee Drive, number 2 Mudgee Drive, Kingston. I'm walking towards the site. Actually, that's where I did one of the other resistivity tests. Very limited opportunities. The other one I did parallel to the fence over there. I'm walking up towards the rig where it's set up over test site number 2, where the tower's going. Just over here was test site number 1. There's one lease peg there. The other one's over here. So the lease goes from those 2 pegs, follows parallel to the fence. Now, I'll just show you, look at the soil profile. It's a little bit of superficial fill. This bit of a mound I'm looking at here is, I believe, fill, probably 400, 500, 600 maybe. Then there's a little bit small band of this very stiff silty clay, which is almost very hard to break. And then I went into the silty clay, which was slightly moist and quite difficult to drill actually. Slight change in colour from the grey to probably grey brown or to brown, then back to grey, and then at about a bit over 6 metres I've hit weathered rock. I was able to drill it, but by 7 metres it was getting quite difficult to auger, so I'll give up at that point. Probably could go down a little bit deeper, but it's getting quite difficult to auger. The site has a bit of some scattered small medium trees around. It's virtually flat except for this little mound of fill. Whoops. And basically there's a lot of old, mainly outboard motor parts covering the entire site. And where I'm standing, which is the track in, is, I'd say it's either some of it's concrete, a lot of it's concrete waste that's recompacted. Near the fence line, still at Kingston site, looking at the actual pegged lease and the truck still sitting over test site 2. You can see some of these lumps of concrete, which sort of thing that was used to form the track in. But I wanted to show you, just looking through the fence, how it falls away. Further down here is some kind of a lagoon or creek. I'll have to look on the Google that, but basically it's a well-drained site and I didn't find any water, any signs of any water or seepage. In fact, the soils are very dry, except just at the surface, where it's a bit moist due to the recent rainfall. That's all for this site.